How to make a YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. I am Bimal from AdCat, and in this video we will learn how we can create a YouTube channel for absolutely free and how we can start uploading videos on it. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to create a YouTube channel, it's very simple. All you need is a Google account. So make sure you're first signed up for a Google account. You can watch our other video in order to create a Google account. It's very simple. And once you do so, you can just go to youtube.com first of all. Once you go to youtube.com, you can see I currently have one of my YouTube account at the very top right. I have not uploaded any videos on there. Now what I will do is from the very top right hand side, I'll just click on my profile picture and I'll go to the option called your channel. Currently, if I show you, my channel has already been created, but I have not yet uploaded any videos. So I will also show you how you can upload videos as well. Now what we will do is again click on the top right hand side and then we'll go to the option called YouTube Studio, which is studio.youtube.com. and once we come to studio.youtube.com, you can see our channel dashboard. Currently our analytics is 0. Now in your case, you could not have anything over here. It might just ask you to create a new channel, so you can just click on the option called create a new channel right over here. And once you've done so, this is basically our channel dashboard. In order to upload videos, you can click on the upload videos button over here, or you can click on the plus button on the top right and then go to the section called upload videos. Over here you can just select the files that you want to drag and drop to your video section. It could be any of the videos that you might actually want to upload. Now once you've uploaded a video, you can enter the title, the description and everything else, and after that you can come to the content tab. Here you'll be able to see all of the videos and so on. Under the analytics, you'll be able to see all of your overview, your content, your audience, as well as your research tools, and you'll also be able to see your comments. You can also filter them to the not responded section. If you come to the subtitles, you can enable auto subtitles or auto captions for your YouTube videos. Here under the copyright section, you'll be able to see any type of copyright issues you have with your channel. After that, you can come to the monetization tab to see whether or not you have monetized your channel. Now there are quite a few criteria to monetizing your channel. The first is that after you've created a channel, within the 12 months you have to reach 1000 subscriber threshold, and after that you need to reach 4000 public watch hours. So make sure to keep that in mind. And you also want to make sure to turn on two-step verification, and also make sure you've not received any type of guideline strikes as well. And that's all it takes to create a YouTube channel. As I said, it's very simple. Just go to youtube.com, create a Google account. This thing right over here is basically your channel. You can go ahead and manage videos, upload videos, change your logo, change your name, channel name, upload banners and so on. That's all it takes to create a YouTube channel. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.